Hello my friends, I am your humble Spud and welcome to Unsorted Horror. This looks like a set of horror games, so I don't know how long they are, so I don't know if this will be all in one video or if I'm going to split these into different videos. I don't know how long these games are, so we're going to find that out together. But let's see what they have in store. Unsorted Horror is a collection of experimental first-person... Oh, here we go. Most of the games are very short, 10 to 15 minutes, and are designed to be played through in one sitting. They do not feature save mechanics. Longer titles that feature save mechanics will be marked with a disc icon. Okay, so I might split this up into different videos then, depending on how long it takes me to complete each one. Because I don't want the video to be too long. Ooh, that's cool. That's neat. Okay, the other side. Out there is death. Out there is nothing. Control Room Alpha. I do know about this one. I don't know if I'll play this one, but I might. I'll see how I'm doing. Because there's spiders in that one. And maybe it would be good for content, actually. Maybe it would be good for content. Because I'm afraid of spiders. So, usually playing a game that associates with a fear of yours is good for content. So, we'll see. Carbon Steel. Are these all made by the same guy? That's the first time I've noticed a name. I'm assuming these are all made by the same guy. Concrete Tremor, Tartarus Engine. I think this is the new one. It showed in the description that this was the newest one, I think. Okay, I'm going to start with this one. That's so cool. That's such an interesting way of doing it. The game will open in a new instance. Do not close this window. Okay, there we go. I needed to fix something real quick. Alright. As far beneath Hades' heaven is above Earth, construction began on the foundation of a great computer. Decades later, the first reality of eternal torment was imitated by the machine. The year is 2009, and the Tartarus Engine was created. Oh, okay, I don't have to hurry, because space is right there. Okay. Sometimes you never know. Time passed. To prevent workers from exploiting the machine for their personal gain, multiple protective measures were set in place. 4 technicians devise a plan and execute it into the night. There is no such thing as absolute security. Press space to execute. Secret missions. Cool. Is this gonna be kind of like a autonomous, not autonomous, but a sentient machine? Whoa. What? Ooh! That's cool. This is really interesting. I'm enjoying this already. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Okay. Cool. Sounds good. Somehow the... Oh, so he doesn't know. That's a big R drive. He doesn't believe it at all. Yeah, he doesn't believe it at all. So it's so secretive that it seems our boss or some other higher up doesn't know about it. Yeah. Yeah. Well, this is interesting. It's somehow the the graphics of it, like the blocky graphics and everything, makes it more immersive. Okay, sounds good. Alright, yes, sir. Well, friend, sir. Acquaintance, I don't know. Okay, I've got it. I've got the thing. Where do I go? Do I click on this? Oh, the elevator's going. All right. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Holy cow! This is cool. Okay, where am I going? Partition, input, maintenance, access, floor, splitter. I'm assuming this is where I am. I wasn't paying attention. Where did he say to go? Oh, this is the door. Okay, good. I thought it was this way, but I didn't know there was a door that I had to interact with. This is incredibly immersive. I hope it's coming across for you guys. I hope it's coming across for you guys. This is incredibly immersive for me. Oh, alright. Thank you. How do I... Oh, here we go. How do I work this? Hey! We're going for a ride. Do I have a flashlight? It's really dark. I don't think I have a flashlight. Check the time. 23:49. Hello? Oh, there's a light. There's a light. Whoa. This place is huge. Alright, let's check the time. 23:50. So what's the significance of the time then? Remember, you have to make it back by midnight. Oh, there we go. 10 minutes? Oh, no. Is it real time? Is it real time 10 minutes? Wow, okay. Well, this is kind of like... Jeez, how... Where am I? What facility is this? This is crazy. Is there any... Notepad. Oh, notepad. Drop items with Q. I stopped suddenly. Why did I stop suddenly? Oh. Oh shoot, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh, there we go. Okay. Of course. I gotta unscrew. Any screws there? No, I don't think so. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm assuming I need to use this thing now. Or is it the engine? Maybe it's the engine. There we go. Or the hard drive. No? Really? Wait, is it this? I didn't even notice this. Oh, I didn't even notice that thing. Oh, that... Okay, that makes sense now. That makes sense as to why I wasn't working. Numbers? Numbers? Oh, no. Oh! 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 Oh, there's pistons under there. I'm done here. Time to head back. Ah. Okay. I'm figuring it out slowly. 23:56. Alright, figuring it out slowly. Sort of. I was confused there for so long on what to do. Alright, successful mission. Let's try not to stress about maybe or not our manager, boss, whoever that guy was. Hopefully he didn't know anything about it. Let's just sit back, act natural, Okay, we made it. I think. We seem to have maybe made it. Okay, we're coming. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh. Hey, back to normal? Okay. This thing sure is rickety. I can't imagine it's safe. Boss man? Oh, I can't seem to pull out my watch anymore. Security cameras? It's dark. Oh, hello. Okay.
Harper, we are about to calibrate the device in a moment.
Okay.
There isn't much time left. Strap yourself in.
Okay. Let's go. I'm in the Matrix.
I've almost got everything set up. Which bracelet are you wearing? The one where you peel potatoes? Splendid.
Peel potatoes?
It's just for a moment. I'll tell you out as soon as I get on in the readings.
Peeled potatoes?
Alright, see you in a bit.
They've got clamps on my head. Whoa. 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 Hi. Whoa. Dude.
I don't understand. They managed to translate the nature of consciousness into mathematics and recreated it a digital interface, yet they use it for this. What even is this?
What? Yeah, no joke. What is this? What is happening? I can't do anything. Whoa.
Alright, is the image clear? Yes, the image is clear. Good, I'm setting up the cascade preset now.
Huh?
Warping in 30 seconds.
No, what?
Cascading the engine in itself should exponentially increase the 1.2 factor of time dilation. Our consciousness will be stored in thousands of empty-void branches until we reach the final layer. There, we will have all the time in the world to craft our perfect presets.
What?
How long did it take you to write the code? I did not write it, I found it.
Who wrote it then? Oh. What?
Did it work? Shit, it said, right to reach for the keyboard. Why, I can't move. I forgot to disable the automatic.
Oh, what is going on?
It's spelling us out. It's spelling us out layer by layer. What the hell did you...
What is happening?
How many layers deep are we?
Oh my gosh. What is happening? This is incredibly cool, but also really messed up. Whoa. What a terrifying concept. That's almost as bad as Soma's concept. Tartarus Engine, an unsorted horror exclusive. Wow, that was the ending? That's almost... Whoa. That's actually... Whoa. Whoa, that is a... What a terrifying concept. Holy crap. Dude. Wow, alright. Whew. So what I think I'll do then is I think I'll split each game up into a separate video each. Wow, if the rest of them are as good as that one, Holy cow. That was an experience. It took me a second to figure out what was going on in that section, but that's also just because of the style of the game. Wow, everything about this was great. Atmosphere was pressure, a lot of pressure, and yeah, it was great game. I'm looking forward to playing more. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.